is a little more boisterous than it was 25 years ago. "Rocket is here" was the slogan to celebrate 150 years of the Liverpool and Manchester Railway. The original rocket was displayed in the Transport Gallery of the Liverpool Museum. Hornby, originally a Liverpool company, made a large-scale steam-driven model for the occasion. As celebrations built up, other souvenirs were made, including the usual specially printed mugs. British Railways celebrated with a large-scale parade of locomotives through the years. It was held over 3 days and known as Rocket 150. The highlight was a replica rocket, whilst the world's oldest locomotive, Lion, from the original Liverpool and Manchester Railway, had to help some of the other replicas. As part of the celebrations, the Edgehill Trail was opened, and here you could see the remains of the steam cable haulage system that brought trains up the very steep slope from Lime Street Station, with which early steam locomotives couldn't cope. Here too are the remains of the famous Moorish arch.